Burleson, Purple Heart Trail. On foot, strolling the railroads. Union Pacific Railroad. First and last, motherfucking Hebrew slave still working on these rails. And those cops are bitches. You know, every time I see y'all in those uniforms, it reminds me of how fucking retarded y'all motherfuckers are. But y'all some fucking slaves, so keep on working for the dollar. Cause y'all ain't making no type of justice. And y'all notice, we're hood rich, and y'all wish y'all were. I mean, I'm sorry. You just can't seem to be a cop and a thief. You know what I'm saying? At the same damn time. So you're the thief, and I'm just a cop for my, children? And all these fucking leftover baby mamas, them daddy. Or baby daddy. For support. Charge it to the game. Live it for Jesus. Because I'm David. I only got my kids. Not all the kids. So y'all keep on making me some motherfucking slave by y'all mistakes, okay? Love you guys. Fucking dumbasses. Oop. That one got to go. I represent Adidas. 3 strikes and you out. Bitches and bitch niggas. That one got to go and there's one missing. You know what I'm saying? How you like my backyard? That needs to be fixed. I don't know if y'all can hear the current. It's fucking strong. Electricity passing through. Alright then, lazy people. Got to work, so fuck you. Until another day.